Today is Warrior 2, also known as Virabhadrasana 2 in Sanskrit. So let's come in to a wide stance together, and then you want what is going to be your back toes facing at 30 degrees, and then you want your front foot to turn out to 90. So start with that and really pick up your toes and then anchor all four corners of both feet into the mat. From there, the hips will be a little diagonal, and you want to just feel throughout this pose that the muscles are kind of hugging in to the bones. So Virabhadrasana 2 represents integrity, and whether we're working out yoga-wise or with weights in any format, we really want to focus on integrity of the body, especially integrity of the spine and the joints, and staying within our realm of range of motion and stabilization. And so oftentimes we can use that word integrity, spinal integrity, and whatnot, to preserve that and to make sure that we are staying within safe limits of our body to prevent injury, and to also capture all the benefits from our efforts. So here we are, front toes at 90, back toes at 30. From there, we're going to sink down into this front leg, coming forward. And we want to draw that knee towards the third and fourth toes. The torso stays nice and vertical. You don't need to lean the torso with the lunge, but depending on your body, if that just happens automatically, you'll just want to not go quite so deep to start. So we sink down, hugging the muscles in, engaging the bandhas from the pelvic area and right up to the abs. Now with the foot, the front and back foot, we want the heel of the front foot really sort of aligned with the arch of the back foot or the heel, somewhere between the heel and the arch, finding what works best for your body in any given moment. So your stance might not be as wide as mine, just based on your own body, flexibility, mobility. So just sort of honor that, because everybody's body is a little different, limb length, all of it, okay? So from there, let's rise up with the arms, long forward, long backwards. Sink down, but lengthen in a manner that it almost feels like you have somebody tugging sort of on your fingers, so you're not just kind of limp like overcooked spaghetti. And then let's just turn right, turn left, and then fix that gaze right over the front hand, lengthening and reaching. Shoulders relax, the sacrum relaxes. We tuck the chin just slightly so the neck, that cervical spine, lengthens, and now everything just feels dialed in. So just sit, take a couple breaths in and out, and then we'll add a little flow to this. So let's go ahead, straighten the legs back as you inhale, slide back down to Warrior 2 as you exhale. Drop the back arm, reach the front arm up as you inhale for reverse Warrior 2, and then exhale back to center. So just do this with me. And then gently release the arms, straighten, coming back to that wide center position. So let's slide over to the other side. So you're just going to pivot the foot out, connect and spread out all 5 toes, all 4 corners of each foot. Lengthen the arms up and then slide right into it. So torso is vertical, all the same principles we talked about on the other side come back to life here. Think about the other thing that I didn't say on the other side that you want to think about is drawing the kneecap up towards the hip, really engaging the leg. And then as we move through the flow, what's really important is that as you slide back and then come forward, that you're not just kind of dumping everything forward. Again, we're trying to maintain the integrity. So when we say integrity, we're talking about the body itself, but in other areas of life as well. So let's go ahead for that little flow now. So inhale, straighten. Exhale, slide down. See if you can just come just a little bit further than maybe when you started. Inhale, reverse it, keeping that lunge. And then exhale, right back to center, gaze is long. Make the breath your friend. And then gently release. Heel toe in, one of my favorite little fun things to do, and that is Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2. Have a wonderful day.